Here we have a demonstration of a smart dishwasher operation. Post the update to the time input function. Let's start the dishwasher. So, as you can see, the set current time displays the time in the military format right away. Now the keys 1 and 2 are for rolling up the hours and the minutes respectively. Now if we push 1, sorry, I need to focus on terminal. If we push 1, we increment the hour. If we push 2, we increment the minute. So let's set current time is 17:32. Push select. Now set default run cycle. Be gentle. Select. Dry option on. Select. Now let's set the default end time. Once again, the input is reflected in the military time right away. There's no need to input hours and minutes separately, which is counterintuitive. So let's say we want end time to be 6 o'clock AM. Input with idle state.